In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with a back like kayak crate. This is from the company Riverruns, and I had been looking for kind of like a very affordable, kind of like kayak crate just to throw in the back and then just kind of like be along my way when I'm out kayak fishing or something like that. I'm going to show you kind of everything you get with it. You get some rod pockets back here. See, I have a bait caster on this side and a spinning reel on this side, so you can run 3 rods right there. So what I have here on the side is the King's 3600 box, and on the back here is a place for, I got a pair of pliers, some fish grippers, some hook removers. You can run a wide range of things back here because they have this little bungee that helps hold it in place here. And there's tie down straps right here on all the corners that you'll just kind of like tie off, and a bag on the side that has some pretty powerful Velcro. You see that bag down here on the side, but then check this out. This is one of the cooler parts about this. Open this thing up. Now we'll show you how this mounts into place. Is that not awesome? Look at this. I've got a flag right there. I've got some, you know, power bait. You know, these are the True Color. These are one of my favorites. These are the Gillies, the Pro Bass, some gloves, and all of my more Kings like boxes there. You can't tell it, but really, this is just a milk crate. You see that? How cool is that? So you can pick these milk crates up pretty cheap about anywhere. And then how this works is, see how this bottom goes down in there? I can take that out and look, that's the milk crate. And then these Velcros run around right there. This thing drops down over top of the milk crate, and then it runs and it just Velcros just like that. Extremely handy. Very impressive, very well designed. I've been around a lot of cool like milk crates design, and this is like very affordable too. And then once you get all the Velcro on there, you just put the bottom in there and then throw your boxes in there, and it looks like it can hold a lot of boxes. I actually have several boxes. I've got some soft baits that I put in there and all that, and then it's got a pretty good quality zipper, and you can run it either, basically you can run it that way or that way. This is not just for kayaks, because here's the way I think you could do it. Let's say I want to go bank fishing, just grab this whole box right here and check it out. I can just walk with this, and I've got me a whole set of baits, rods, and everything, and then I get my chair and I just sit wherever I need to be, and I'm good to go. Where I think that's one of the best features of that is because it's not just a kayak crate, it's also a crate if I just want to do some bank fishing, and I have my rods and all my baits and everything set up. Pretty much, I think it's like light waterproof. If it rains on it a little bit, it's not going to get all your stuff wet in there, but it's not waterproof completely. Let's be real, it's still like a canvas bag. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Riverruns kayak crate cover, because you don't get a crate with it. See y'all in the next video.